We got to France last night, mainland, and we're just leaving now. We're gonna go to Monaco. So we're lifting the dinghy up because we gotta go to a marina. The issue is the marinas in Monaco are really expensive, and now we're realizing that a big storm's coming and we're probably gonna be trapped wherever we go for like a week. So now we're trying to figure out what to do. Because there's cheaper marinas once you get back to France. We got our Monaco flag up. And that is Monaco. It's like all little houses in France, and then all of a sudden there's just like a tiny little area right there with like sky rises and stuff like that. And that's Monaco. Monaco's literally only this big. Like it's just like that. That's Monaco. So it's a country and it's so tiny. We have to fill out the police report or whatever, police documentation for Monaco.
Maritime Police Monaco registration form for coming into Monaco. And then you also have to do the port thing too. Usually you have to do this online, but it wasn't allowing us to upload our certificates and paperwork and stuff like that online, so we have to do it. I have to fill it out now and then hand it off to the office, and then we'll go walk around Monaco.
Just because it's its own country and it's not a Schengen country. Is it a Schengen?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that's weird. I don't know why you have to do it then. Okay, anyway. You gotta fill
They're just really strict on stuff. There's like no crime in Monaco, so I don't know. They just make you do this, fill it out, and they look you up, I guess.
Then you won't do bad stuff.
Yeah.
Because you filled out the paper. So we just got here to Monaco. We booked the other side, the other marina on the opposite side of this castle wall thing, where everything is, but they had a mix up with the booking, so we're over here, but it's really nice. I'm gonna go have a shower. Austin's on his way back from the shower. Just before I go in the shower, these are the showers at this marina in Monaco. They, like, this is like crazy. This is not, usually marina showers are not like this. They're like stalls. They're usually like gross. This is crazy. Pretty sick. Okay, so I thought these showers were really nice, but whoever installed them, like, put them on like an angle like this. It's like all the water just like runs out the door here and then like completely floods the floor. Like this floor is like flooded. I flooded it. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom at the marinas again, and me and Austin usually don't go out. We don't usually spend much money, but tonight we're going to like a really fancy bougie place in Monaco, so you guys can come get ready with me. I haven't done my hair, curled my hair, or put on makeup since we've left Canada. So I brought my inverter because all of our stuff is from Canada. It doesn't work here. Okay, so my foundation that I haven't worn in years is way too light for me now, and now I look like a ghost. My face is lighter than my body. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm doing, but I just did my eyeshadow, filled in my brows, and put on some mascara. If you have any tips, let me know for what to do different. Now for the hair, this part I am good at, so this is good. So I just curled my hair, I gotta let it set, and then I'll brush it all out, and I'm gonna put on some lipstick, I think. Austin took a wrong turn
No.
with the GPS, and now we're walking down an interstate tunnel trying to get to this restaurant. We had to hop 2 fences.
I cut my finger.
He cut his finger. That should have been a warning sign that this was not the way you were supposed to go. We made it here.
Finally.
Finally. That was like the wildest walk ever.
20 minutes to spare before our
Good thing we left early.
reservation.
We never take the easy way places. It's always like the most chaotic thing. Now I'm trying not to sweat and make my hair go all frizzy.
I'm already sweating.
Oh god. Is it good? Dinner was so good, but it was so good. Like, it was like, oh my god, like amazing. But also not enough food for us. So I don't know. This place is really cool.
Yeah, really, really cool.
Oh my god. I just bet Austin $10 that he couldn't walk down the upstairs. This is an escalator.
Depends on how much. I usually can, but
He usually can. All the times he walks down the up escalator.
yeah.
Okay, don't do it if you're gonna get hurt.
Take that.
Don't. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my gosh! Wow! What?
There's another one I would have had to take down that one too.
I was gonna say that was so good. Oh my god. That was so good.
Just couldn't do it with a beer.
That was so good. We're going up to like the old town part of Monaco right now. You gotta go through all those castle walls and stuff to go there. Oh, skate park.
I definitely did not think that they'd have a skate park up here. This is like old city. This is Monaco City that we're in.
Yeah.
All old town. They have a skate park up here.
Cool. Nice spot for a skate park.
Yeah. Overlooks the ocean.
That is our boat right there. This one.
Blue Bimini.
Yeah. Can always tell because it's got a red for sale. They just turned the lights on. That's cool. Ah, cool. That was pretty good timing. The lights aren't actually twinkling like that. I don't know why it's showing up like this on the video, but it's just lit up like normal. It's not like flashing in red, it's just regular yellow light.
Probably be closer to walk from that marina to the park than what we've been doing, or I've been doing.
Austin's always gotta get fries or something at McDonald's everywhere we go, every country. He always says he's just gonna get fries, and then we end up with a lot of other stuff. Mine's actually good. This actually doesn't even have meat in it. It's hard to find.